Welcome to my little country kitchen. This is Marianne. Next, we've got a hankering for keto pancakes. So, fluffy low-carb pancakes made with almond flour and coconut flour. So, yay! So excited to pour some yummy fruit sauce on top. I'll show you. We'll see. Okay, start with 1 cup of almond flour. And a 1/4 cup of coconut. I lost the rest of my recording, but I also added 2 tablespoons of monk fruit, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 5 large eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of avocado oil, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. So in a large bowl, whisk all ingredients together until smooth. Batter should be consistency of a typical pancake. If it's too thick, add a little more milk. Or don't let them be too wet. I did put down avocado oil. Oh, we need to cover with the lid. And I'm testing out my first pancake here. That's the secret. It's a lid. Okay, I'm starting to see some bubbles around the edges and on top, so that they say that's when to flip it. Oh, it's a little too dark. I got this recipe off the website from Maya Krampf, wholesomeyum.com. I'll link it in the thingamajig below. What's up, da? Yes, I recommend putting this on low heat. Okay. About 2.5 minutes later. Okay. Starting to see the bubbles. They're hard to flip. They're getting really toasty.
It smells like, what's the heat at?
Low medium.
Because it's supposed to cook it slowly so that it'll not like still be on in the middle.
Yeah, I know. As you can see, 1 cup of almond flour gave me about 7 pancakes. So this was in the basic recipe, and it was just for me and my husband, so I just wanted to cook for just us two and to test out the recipe, see if we liked it. It's on super low. At least for this burner. Maybe I need to do it on a different burner. We'll see. Okay. Oh.
Okay, are you ready to try pancake? Yum.
Keto pancake. Look how beautiful. And I have some soft peanut butter right here, so it doesn't tear my pancake. And then my yummy peach butter that I made. The whole batch only has 1 cup of sugar, so this is definitely the most keto friendly. Oh, definitely more. Yep, top it off with a dollop. Or a mountain. Okay. It's stiffer than I imagined, but you know.
Mm-hmm.
Did you like see me cut it through?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Want to taste? What do you think?
As far as keto goes,
It's not bad. It's not as fluffy.
it's a little, yeah, it's a little
grainy.
Yeah.
But it's still yummy.
but yeah.
Definitely on the do again. And
Good.
I don't know how I would modify it to make it any better. Do you?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know that much about keto or
That's good enough.
the almond or coconut flour to know how to alter it to.
Yeah.
But
It's good.
it's a good snack.
It's very good.
Get your own
No, staying positive.
breakfast tomorrow. Thank you for joining me at my little country kitchen. We'll see you next week. And this was from a play at my church.
I've heard about this baby boy who came to earth to bring us joy. Alleluia.